picture this, you're rushing to an important meeting and your phone is only at 15%, and to make matters even worse, you're digging through a rat's nest of cables trying to find the right charging solution. Now, if that sounds familiar, MagBak, today's sponsor of this video, may have cracked the code to premium charging solutions that have been specifically engineered to be able to enhance your driving and working space. First, we'll take a look at the MagBak wireless charger, which comes at a cost of $69, and this will change the way how you look at car charging solutions forever. Trust me. Imagine sliding into your car and instead of fumbling with cables, your phone just clicks into place, starts charging instantly. That's the magic here. This thing works seamlessly with MagBak in-house MagBak cases, MagSafe, and also MagStash mounting. It's like your phone was meant to live here. Just look at how aesthetically pleasing and bold this looks at the same time. That beautiful crafted aluminum body isn't just an eye candy. This is built like a tank for your daily grind on your commute, and for someone like me that lives in New Jersey, sometimes I may go down a street that the road is very bumpy, or even sometimes you may have some potholes, and when I've gone through these streets, I've never seen my phone accidentally falling off simply because of the bumpiness or even the deepness of the potholes. Now here's where it gets even clever. There's an integrated fan design with a temperature safety management working behind the scenes, so even on those scorching hot summer road trips, which I love to take myself, your phone stays cool as ice. I know that's one of the problems that I normally have for myself with my phone. It normally overheats in the car, and sometimes with the door holder or the holder at the door, I will turn the AC into that direction to actually keep my phone cool, but never again, because I'll have this MagBak charging solution to be able to cool my phone at the same time. Oh, and those discrete LED indicators, they whisper charging without blinding you during those late night drives. And with 10 watt and a 7.5 watt and also a 5 watt charging modes, it adapts to exactly what your phone needs. And this doesn't even feel like just a regular charger. It now feels like it's stepping into the world of being your co-pilot. Now let's talk about your evening rituals. You know, when you get home from work and you're trying to look for the different charging cables to either charge your earbuds, your Apple Watch, or even your phone, and sometimes if you have kids, they may have removed it or taken it, or somebody have borrowed your charging cable, but never again with the 3-in-1 charging solution that MagBak has to offer, which actually offers fast charging, and to me just makes my life a ton easier with having my devices all at one place charging and ready at the beginning of my day. We're talking about 2 times faster charging speeds than those basic wireless pads gathering dust in your drawer, or even those cheap charging solutions that you may see on Amazon. That thin minimalistic space gray aluminum body isn't just for its stunning look, as many of you may think. It's actually a sophisticated heat management system in disguise. The temperature management keeps everything running at a peak efficiency, which really means faster and safer charging that actually lasts. And those discrete LED indicators, they blend into your setup like they were always meant to be there. It's to me like you're having your own private butler that never takes a break or goes on vacation. Now here's the thing, whether you're upgrading your car charging solutions to MagBak wireless car charger, or even wanting to have some order to your chaotic desk setup, or even to have a cleaner nightstand, I believe that MagBak isn't just selling you a piece of tech, they're selling you a peace of mind and luxury to go along with it for your everyday life. So for your convenience, I've left the links in the description to these items, and for those of you who have made it to the end of this video, I've also shared with you a coupon code so you could have a discount while purchasing these 2 items. So thank you for making it to the end of this video. Peace out, God bless, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.